Denny's.
Let's see if I can get this Hello Kitty that I want. This is the only one I want. Well, I want them all, but I think this is the only one gettable out of this machine. Oh, it's stabbed. Oh, wait. Oh. Come on.
Oh, dang. Oh, I got that zone.
Let's stab that guy. Oh, I knew it. Let me get this one.
Oh my gosh, we got it.
Finally. That's one more. Just gonna fit this tie-dye rabbit here. Let's see if she can get it. She's got 9 seconds. What looks good? Close. Oh, you got him, I think. First try, she got one. Jeez. We're at Kmart. Let's see what Crystal can get. Freshly stocked. She's going for that zebra. Oh, she's going for the zebra.
Do you think I should knock it over or go for it?
Try going for it first. Yeah, that should squeeze it in right there. Watch it squeeze. Gotcha.
Oh, what is that?
Hey, it's a hat.
And it's
2 in
really
1?
cool.
Oh, almost 2 in 1.
That's really cool.
Awesome win. What's next? Go try that rabbit?
Yeah.
Ooh, you're not gonna get it now.
Oh, wait.
Let's see if you can get behind it. Try pull it forward. Yeah, there you go. Then go for it. You got 13 seconds. Try pull it again. Okay, just go for it. Unless you can pull it by butt. Oh, 7 seconds. Yeah, just go for it. Oh, right. Yeah.
Oh, dang. I knew that was gonna happen.
There you go. Oh. Let's see if you can get it this time. I think they're here to play. Oh, don't push it again. Just grab it. Right there, looks good. Oh, you got it. She got it, guys. Oh,
really?
now you can drag it in though. I hope you can drag it in.
Where you going?
It's going crazy on her, guys. She should be able to drag it in here. She does it right. Oh, it's stuck on the wire. The tag is. Pull it in. It's stuck in there. You got 7 seconds. 5. There you go. Oh, you just hit it. You're gonna get it. Hit it. Oh, what was that? You got it. 2 in 1.
Oh, come on.
2 in 1, guys. 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Awesome. Oh, what the heck? That thing fell. What's she going for now? She's got 3 prizes already. Go for that first Rio bird over there. This is our first time seeing Rio birds. Just try to go for it. Yeah, right about there. Oh, it closed?
I hope I get it.
It closed. Got it. First try, Rio bird. Awesome.
Yes.
First Rio bird and she got it. First try. What are you going to try for next?
I'm going to try for this owl.
She's going to try for this weird owl right here.
I like it. It's really cool.
She's killing this machine, guys.
I don't think I can get the owl.
You might be able to get it. Let's see if you can get this owl. Did it close? Close on the way up? Oh, it's... Okay, guys, it's my turn at this machine that Crystal done destroyed. I'm going to try this Hello Kitty first. Because I want Hello Kitty. It's kind of in bad position, but we're going to try for it anyway. Go down. Oh, it went down. It closed. But it didn't close good enough. I'm going to try this lamb. Because I want to get those other... I'm going to try this Happy Bird. I'm going to try this lamb.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can get this lamb. Oh, no, I got to try the Happy Bird because it's going to fall. Because if it falls over...
You got 3 seconds.
Don't stab it right there. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect Happy Bird grab.
Wow, awesome.
My first try to Happy Bird and I got it.
That's the one I wanted. It's so cute.
My turn for another Happy Bird. That's awesome. Let's see if we can get 3 Happy Birds from one machine. The whole collection. The whole set from one machine. Actually, I'm going to try for this first, though. Oh, actually, I shouldn't. Because if I go for that, it'll knock the Happy Bird over. How's that look, you think? Going for it. Oh, it stabbed the chocolate lamb. Oh, but it slid off. Slid off.
Oh.
Well, it needs to fall over as well.
Yeah, but...
There we go. It's going to knock it over, I think.
Oh.
I wish what I can do with this M&M. Psych. Going for the
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. Tricked you there, guys, didn't I? See if I can get behind its head enough. Right there. Yeah, that's where I wanted it. Close. Oh, no, it's gonna fall.
Crap.
But we can try that. Okay, it's Crystal's turn again. I just heard her cough because she's sick. What's she gonna go for?
I want this stupid generic owl. Don't ask me why, but I want it, okay?
Let's see if she can get this generic owl that she really wants, but she doesn't know why.
It's cool looking.
I mean, it closes perfect.
It's just heavy.
There it goes. Yeah. Now that it's sideways, she should be able to get it. It laid down. It's taking a rest. Something Crystal needs to do because she's sick.
Sorry guys, I gotta come and claw.
She's dedicated for you fans. Let's see if she can get it this time. Oh, it looks pretty good. Oh, wait. Yes!
No!
Oh, it's right there by the chute now.
What did I do?
Go for its butt. I hope I got that. I don't think I got it. I was too busy looking at it. She's gonna go for the butt. Oh, I think you need to go to the other side. Oh,
really
wait, she got it. She got it. It's gonna come up. Watch. See, told you.
Oh, yes,
nice. Perfect.
Alright, now.
You should go for the Rio bird.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the Rio bird.
Crystal's going for Rio. It's the girl one. That's the girl one, I think, because it's got eyelashes. Yeah, go for more towards me because you want to knock it down.
I just wanted to see if I can move it. It's probably gonna stab, but I'm gonna try.
Well, if it stabs, it'll knock it down some. There you go. That's how you want. Oh no, it didn't knock it down. Let's try for Hello Kitty again. So I want this Hello Kitty. There we go. Oh, I caught it. That's what happens when you call it, you don't get it. This, what's his name? What's his name again?
Hello Kitty?
Hello Kitty, yeah. Can't think of the name of it. Oh yeah, that closed. I got it. Yeah. That should be good. There we go.
That's better. Let's see if I can get this sheep.
She's gonna try to move the little sheep lamb. I don't know if it's a baby or not. Oh, she's going for the body shot.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, she got it.
It's gonna fall out.
Oh, she... Okay, that's good though, but you can still get it. And you can get the Rio. This you can go for first. Oh, look at the claw. We missed. We jacked it up.
Oh, dang.
It's gonna come down more
Straight
towards
down.
us, so go further back. Further back. Yeah, because it's gonna come straight down and there you go. Oh, you moved the minion. Oh, go for the minion. Oh, you got the minion. Oh, I thought she had it, guys. But she didn't. Let me get on this side so she can see over here. She's going for the Rio, not for the minion yet. She's gonna try that next.
Alright, I'm gonna try that.
Here she goes. We're going for Rio. Oh, that's perfect. Come on, close. There you go. Oh, it's got it by the foot. It's got it.
Oh, crap.
Oh, it's not dead yet. It's not dead.
Okay.
You should be able to get it this time, I hope. Let me get the side view.
Does that look good on your side?
As close as you can bring it all the way close as you can to you. I tortured you, yeah. There she goes, guys. Oh, she got him. I hope.
Oh.
Yeah, she got it. Oh, I caught it too early.
I'm
We're
about to
pushing
punch
him
this.
down. She's about to punch the machine, she said.
I'm gonna go for the stupid sheep.
She's going for the sheep instead.
Cause that bird's making me mad.
Let some of her frustration out.
I don't think I got it.
Oh, you missed the sheep. She's gonna try the sheep again. If she goes for the sheep. Oh, it's not gonna. Oh wait, that should slide in there. Got it. Yes. Don't move. Don't move. She got the sheep.
Yes,
Awesome.
sheep. You gotta go for the body, I think,
I
for the
know.
Rio.
Right here. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Oh man, it's because it's.
Oh wait. Maybe.
Oh my gosh, that's good though.
Don't stab it. Oh, come on, close on the way up, close.
Oh my gosh, this is... Oh my gosh, this is so annoying.
Oh, come on. There it goes. You seen it close?
Okay, maybe we're gonna make something. Oh my gosh, seriously, I'm gonna punch this thing.
So it's turn for the girl, real bird. We don't know her name, and we don't care her name. Oh, that looks good, Crystal. It's got it closed. You got it.
Now it's dead zoned.
You got it hanging over the chute.
I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's dead zoned now.
She's going for the minion. Oh wait, that looks pretty good on the minion. It closed. It closed. Crystal got the minion first try for her minion.
Oh man.
Dang it, because this stupid little pig. You're a stupid pig. Come on. Oh, you stabbed him in his head.
Oh man, you almost had it.
Do something with the foot. There we go. Hello Kitty is ours.
Awesome.
First try on that Hello Kitty. Well, second try or third try, but still got it. If I can get it now. Oh, there we go. Let's see if that moves it.
Oh, we got it!
Yes! Okay, we're at Denny's. A new freshly stocked machine. Crystal, what are you going for?
I wanna see if I can drag that minion anywhere.
Let's see if you can do something with that minion. Drag it out. Keep going. There you go.
Oh,
Do that again. You want to drag it out as far as you can. Keep going. There you go. Now try to go for it. You guys can't see it, but there's a minion back there. Just trust me. Oh, she might have it. Oh, because it's a Rio bird, because his name is Rio, right? Or is it because they live in Rio de Janeiro?
They live in Rio. What the?
Uh-oh.
I didn't mean to do that.
I hope not. Oh look, we might get both, 2 in 1. That'd be cool, right? Oh, we got 1.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to move this Batman out of the way by going for it. There we go. I don't think we got it, but we could probably get it though. Oh, drag that stupid snail. Can you get the Batman that I couldn't get? See if she can get the Batman. Oh, stab the dog over here.
I forgot about that dog.
See if she can get this Batman this time. Oh, that looks. Oh, it stabbed his arm. That was better though. Let's see if she can get this minion actually. That'd be awesome. Oh, that looks good. Oh,
dang it.
At least we know he can be moved. You moved him forward a little bit. That's good.
Should I go for him again?
Yeah. You know you can turn the claw if you need to. She doesn't need to. She said, "Shut up, Angel. I got this."
Oh, that was so bad.
Maybe you should turn the claw, like I said.
You want to do it? I want to see you in it.
Whoa, that's a sick talking out of her. So we'll just act like we didn't hear that, sicko. Do you need to come over my way?
I'm going.
Oh, jeez. That's sick, Crystal. We don't like sick, Crystal. Jeez, she's gonna take every freaking second she can. And that's okay, because she's gonna win! Oh!
That should be average.
Okay, let's see if she can get the minion this time. She moved it there. Last play, now she should be able to somehow get it in.
I'm nervous.
Oh wait, 2 in 1 maybe? Oh, by a tag?
Gosh.
Oh, there it goes. Oh! Don't shake it. Oh wait, shake it. See if you can get it. I got it. Shake it. Shake it harder. Let me try.
I can't.
Keep your finger right here. Push your thumb against there.
Okay, that's ours.
Okay, let me try. Or it is Batman, right?
Yeah, that's Batman.
There we go. That's how I wanted it.
Oh, good.
2 in 1. It's gonna be 2 in 1, Crystal. Get it. There we go.
Yeah, 2 in 1.
Today.
Hey guys, I'm about to do prizes of the day, like that thing said. Keep in mind I'm sick, so sorry. Here's a Batman, 2 Hello Kitties, the whole set of real birds, a minion, this cute little sheep thing, these little bunnies, this owl that I really wanted and I got it. I don't know why I wanted it, but it's really cute. And then this cute little tie-dye
rabbit.
bunny. And don't forget this cool hat. Bye.
Oh, right there. That looks really good. See if that will do something. Oh, wait. Oh, good.
You got it.
Finally. Took forever.
We're at Toys R Us, Sugarloaf, and let's see what Angel